Hello and welcome back to our new video, and in this video I'll show you how to change your Apple ID without losing your data. For that, open your settings and tap on your name, and now we need to scroll down and now we need to tap on this sign in and security, and then after that we need to wait for a few seconds and another kind of interface will pop on your mobile screen. Now we need to tap on edit, that is basically next to your, and now after that just tap on this add email or phone number. You need to add from, and then you need to add your email address or phone number right there, and then tap on red minus button next to your current email and choose delete, and follow the prompt to choose another email to use as your Apple ID, and enter a new email address and verify it through a code sent to your inbox. And that is how you change your Apple ID without losing your data. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.